Good day everyone and welcome to Learn English with Blaine. And in today's video we are going to discuss types of nouns. In particular we are going to discuss common versus proper nouns. So we are going to discuss types of nouns and we are going to discuss common versus proper nouns. So the question is, what are nouns? Nouns are people, places, things, and ideas. For this video, we are going to focus on people, places, and things. We are not really going to discuss this. This we will talk about in another video in the near future. But remember, nouns are people, places, and things. These are nouns. Common nouns are generic names for people, places, and things. They are never capitalized unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so common nouns are generic names for people, places, and things. They are never capitalized unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. And in a moment we'll discuss that. We'll discuss this in just a moment. People, places, and things. These are all nouns. And again, this one, love, hate, friendship, and peace. These are other types of nouns called abstract nouns. And these are nouns that you cannot touch. But for today, though, we're going to worry about these. So, for example, a man, woman, child, and a friend. These are all types of nouns. These are people. Places could be country, city, lake, and ocean. These are places. They're also things as well, but they're also people. Things could be table, house, car, and hammer. These are all things. These are things that we can touch. So again, people, places, and things, all of these are nouns. These are all common nouns. Proper nouns are names for specific people, places, and things. They are always capitalized. And I think this is a good way to give you an example. Man is a common noun, but if you say the man's name is Alexander, now it becomes proper. So man is a common noun, Alexander is a proper noun. Woman is common, Kathy is proper. Child is common, but Susan is proper. So maybe the child's name is Susan, the woman's name is Kathy, and the man's friend is Alexander. You may have a friend, and that's a common noun, but then maybe your friend's name is Scott, and that's a proper noun. Lake, now a lake and an ocean, these are things. They are things, and these are common nouns. These are things. But when you give them a name, Lake Placid, Pacific Ocean, now they are proper nouns, and now they go from things to actual places. And remember that both words, lake and placid, are capitalized, and Pacific and ocean are both capitalized as well. So you capitalize both of the words in a proper noun. Okay, quiz time. You are going to find the nouns and you are going to think, are they common or are they proper? There will be 10 questions. For this quiz, let's not worry about pronouns. Words like he, she, it, we, and they. These are words that take the place of a noun. So some people say they are nouns, other people say they are not nouns. It just depends on who you speak to. But words like he, she, it, we, and they are what we call pronouns. And we're not going to worry about these words for this quiz. So again, we're going to find the nouns, and are they common or are they proper? Now, here is an example. I found my shoes. In this example, shoes is the noun, and it's a common noun. So shoes is the noun, and it is a common noun. Okay, let's go on to the quiz now. So remember first, you're going to find the nouns. That's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, find the noun. Mr. Johnson ran to work. Mr. Johnson and work, these are the nouns. So what do you think? Are they proper or are they common? Well, Mr. Johnson is a proper noun and work is a common noun. And remember, both are capitalized. Mr. and Johnson are both capitalized because it's a proper noun. Okay, let's go on to number 2. The children put the puppy in her pen. So I'm going to give you a moment to figure that out. Find the nouns first. I'll give you a few more seconds. Okay. So in this case, the nouns are children, puppy, pen. Children, puppy, and pen. These are the nouns. Are they common or are they proper? Let's take a look. Common, common, common. Children, puppy, and pen. These are all common. Remember that we have children and a puppy, but there's no names for these, right? So they are common. Let's go into number 3. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Okay, let's find the nouns first. Okay, Atlantic Ocean, ocean, and world. Now, are these proper? Are they common or are they proper? Okay, so the Atlantic Ocean is proper, ocean is common, world is common. This is an ocean with a name, right? So if it's an ocean with a name, it's a proper noun. It's got a name, and this word is capitalized, this word is capitalized. Ocean here is just it's any ocean. There's no name for it. So it's common, so it is not capitalized. And world, we're not talking about a specific world that's mentioned, so it's also common. Okay, let's go into number 4. What city would you like to visit next? What city would you like to visit next? So I'll just give you a few more seconds to find the nouns. In this case, we have one noun, city. Is it proper or is it common? City is the name of a common noun. There's no name for the city. It's just city by itself. Okay, let's go on to number 5. We walked to school today, but we took the bus home. We walked to school today, but we took the bus home. So I'll give you a few seconds to find the nouns. Okay, school, bus, home. School, bus, home. Now, are these proper or are they common? These are all common. Common, common, common. Okay, let's move on to number 6. I think he went to Harvard University to study math. I think he went to Harvard University to study math. Okay, so what do you think are the nouns in this case? Okay, so nouns here are Harvard University and math. This is the name of a university. So Harvard is capitalized and university is capitalized as well. For this one, it's the name of a subject, but not a particular math subject. Okay, let's go on to number 7. Oh, sorry, here. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is proper, like I said, and this one is common as well. So proper and common. Let's go to number 7. My grandmother lives in Mexico City. My grandmother lives in Mexico City. So I'll give you just a few seconds to find the nouns. My grandmother lives in Mexico City. People, places, and things. And here are the nouns right here. Grandmother, Mexico City. So are they proper or are they common? Okay, so grandmother is common. Mexico City is proper. So this is a grandmother, but she doesn't have any particular name, so we can say that it's common. And Mexico City is the name of a city, right? So it's a proper noun. Let's go on to number 8. My Uncle John wants to talk to us about our exam next week. My Uncle John wants to talk to us about our exam next week. So let's find the nouns first. I'll give you a few more seconds to do that. To find the nouns. Here are your nouns. Uncle John and exam. This is a thing, right? This is another word for a test or a quiz. So we have Uncle John and exam. So are these common or are they proper? These are, I'll show you now, proper and common. Uncle John, so this is the name of your uncle. So the capitalize, it's the name of your uncle. If there's a name for the uncle, then it's going to be a proper noun. And this one's going to be common. Let's go to number 9. I will go to the store and buy bread if you would like. I will go to the store and buy bread if you would like. Okay, so let's worry first about finding the nouns. For number 9. And we'll give you 5 more seconds. Here they are. Store and bread. And are these common or are they proper? And they are both common. Common and common. Store and bread. Okay, our last question is number 10. My sister is currently studying Spanish at the university. My sister is currently studying Spanish at the university. Okay, so let's take a look at this and try to find the nouns in this one. Okay, let's take a look. And we have sister, Spanish, university. Sister, Spanish, university. Now think about it. Are these nouns, are they common or are they proper nouns? That's the next question. I'll give you 10 seconds to think about this. Common or proper? Okay, so we've got sister. Sister is common. Spanish is proper because it is the name of a language. It's the name of a language, so it's going to be proper. So for example, words like English, German, Spanish, Norwegian, these are all proper nouns, and they should be capitalized. It's the name of a language. And then lastly, university is common because we are talking not about a particular university. We're just talking about university in general. So it is common. Okay, everyone. I want to thank you so much for looking at the video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it was helpful to you. Remember, leave your comments or questions in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments, and I will respond to your comments if you leave any questions or comments below. And if you like the video, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye.